I will make the live streaming focus on mattress pocket spring units production. Showtime. My friend, please check. This is for American standard pocket spring mattress. This is our customer, one of our customer. They make USA market by Amazon. This is our warehouse. Let me show you. All my friends, I'm Jack. I work for mattress machinery more than 20 years. Warm welcome to Zolytech Mattress Machinery channel. Today, I will focus on the mattress pocket spring units production process. Here is our warehouse for stock some pocket spring units, which is not for loading today, but depends on our customer's plan. All my friends, please check this. The pocket spring. The pocket spring with American standard. I will show you one full pocket production process, one full set. I will make the live streaming one by one for introduction to all our friends. Let's go. The pocket spring from wire. So let's start from wire. All my friends, the wire, usually for the mattress, we could make the wire could make a bonnet mattress and also make the pocket mattress. This wire we focus on here is pocket spring. The diameter of the wire, the steel wire is from 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2 mm, 2.1. Yes, this kind of models. So this kind of wire, well, why I have many kinds of wire? Because of customers' requirements. For example, some high quality pocket spring mattress, they need more thick wire for make much more stronger. And also, we have special high pressure pocket spring units, which is used for 1.7 mm diameter wire. Because we make the high compression. Let me show you the machine, how to make. This is the wire, also the wire supporter. Okay. My friend, now I would like to show you how the pocket spring units production. So we will use the pocket spring machine. My friends, from there is the pocket assemble machine. The pocket assemble machine could drag 3 sets of pocket spring coil machine. So one pocket spring unit from wire, one production line with very small volume or room in your factory and could make these spring units. It is very, very high efficiency production for these products. So beside me is the pocket spring assembly machine. Please check. My friend, this is an automatic pocket spring assembly. This machine could drive 3-seat pocket assembly machine or pocket folding machine. Hello, my friends. Beside me is the pocket spring machine. Now, in China, the pocket spring machine with high compressor type is more and more popular because the wire is thin. It is only 1.7 mm, but the compressor could get the same hardness as 1.9 or 2 mm diameter of the wire. So the same compressor, you could save more cost, the production cost, because you could use less steel wire. I'll show you. Hello, my friends. If we are doing mattress production, if we are interested in mattress field, please like and follow Zolytech. All my friends, welcome to Zolytech Mattress Machine channel. Please follow us. You could find us in YouTube or also in Facebook, also in LinkedIn, where you can find us. I'm sure we could support more solutions for the mattress production experience. My friends, let's continue the special pocket spring foyer production. And my friends, this is high temperature pocket spring machine. All my friends, in today's live streaming, I'm not talking about concepts or marketing words. I'm talking about the real numbers, okay, for the high temperature mattress spring unit. Pocket spring is 140 pieces per minute. So for this machine, the pocket is not, the speed is not the most important. Why? The saving cost using less steel wire is the most key point for the mattress production. Today I will show you how this machine makes less cost for you or for your customer in mattress production. I will try to analyze the numbers for our friends. In mattress manufacturing, we all know one thing is very clearly. Steel wire cost one of the biggest expense in spring production. Well, my friends, today I would like to show you how this machine makes high temperature pocket spring. Produce how to enable high temperature springs while you're saving up to 30%. 30%. Is a 30% steel wire cost per mattress minutes. This is not an estimation. This is a pure calculation from real production data and tables. Our customers check their cost real from their production compared with their selling price in their market. So the more mattress they produce, the more steel wire they could sell. Where does high temperature come from? This year. Why? And where? 66% the high temperature ratio technology. Let's talk about the high temperature first. Okay. The core technology of this machine, high temperature ratio spring forming system. Let's compare directly. Okay. Traditional pocket spring, usually they use 2 mm. Coils usually 6 turns. This compression ratio technology. You use a thinner wire, but you get a stronger and more stable support from the mattress building perspective. That means better body conformity, faster rebound, no collapse, no soft sinking. This level of compression only meets to high-end mattress standards for this type of pocket spring units. So on my friend, can you see this? Okay, from wire and then heat started resistor. Before oil, this is the oil, and this head is the double wire. So it will make the door function. So, all my friends, how much cost can you really save? Now I would like to make one calculation for our friends. Step 1, steel wire consumption per spring. We can make one calculation by special tool. The spring type, for example, 2 mm with steel wire. The weight for spring is 26 grams. Please check with your engineer. In China, 6 rings with 2 mm diameter is about 26 grams. So now this machine is high compression spring. We only use 1.7 mm. The wire diameter. So after 5.5, so after 5.5 rings with 1.7 mm the steel wire, the weight per spring is only 18 grams, 18 grams. So there is 8 grams extra differences. So 8 grams sip per spring. This is the foundation, correct? So we will make it a real or more calculation from this foundation. There is about 8 grams for one spring, right? Yes. Let's take one example for the mattress spring unit. For example, single bed, okay? Not a king size, single size. For example, 1.9 meters by 2 meters. This spring unit, there are about 420 springs. So the traditional springs is 420 by 26 grams. So the result is about 10.92 kilograms. So this machine, high compression spring, same quantity, okay, 420 by 15 grams. So the total is 7.56 grams. 7.56 kilograms. So one four piece mattress spring unit. So my friend, you can check the real weight from your factory. You can check with one spring, and then you can get a general weight for one fixed size of your spring unit. Okay, so steel wire, just we already checked the traditional spring with the 2 mm. High compression spring with the 1.7 mm diameter. high temperature VS traditional production, not exaggerated comparison. So you have to check. So my friends, you have to check with the new production manager. Take one spring and use one station rule to check the weight for one spring. Okay, so after checking, for example, 20 with the same size, you get an average number. So this number will be more accurate. Okay. So they assumes the wire price now. In China, okay, 1 kilogram is about 5 Chinese money RMB. So saving per mattress unit is 5 by 3.36 kilograms. So one mattress spring unit you could save about 16.8 RMB. So all my friends, anyway, I hope you could get a general idea about my experience, my calculation for the cost of saving. So just now we already finished here. For example, 0.9 meter by 2 meter spring units. There are about 420 pocket spring units. So one mattress unit you could save 16.8 RMB Chinese money for one spring unit. This calculation is from Chinese steel wire price. For example, if in your country the wire is more expensive, correct? So that means you could save more cost. So in China there is about the 5 RMB, 5 RMB per square per kilogram. So one single size, 1 meter by 2 meter mattress spring. Okay, you could save about 16.8 RMB for one set, for one unit, which is based on Chinese price called steel wire. That is 5 RMB, only 5 RMB per kilogram. So in your country, for example, is 6 or 5.5 or more, that means your cost price is more than 60.8 RMB, correct? So, my friends, if you have any more information or questions, please don't hesitate to leave message in the comments. Okay, our team will reply you as quickly as possible. And also, my friends, please don't forget to follow Zolytech and like Zolytech in YouTube, also in Facebook, and also leave the message, leave your message in the comments. Okay, really, my friends, thank you very much for watching. Zolytech Mattress Machinery channel. I really appreciate it. So, let's continue. Just now, one single size mattress, you could save about 16.8 RMB. 16.8 RMB for one mattress. That saves the cost. So, for example, one day you make a mattress of 500 pieces, okay? 500. So, how much cost you save from Only the steel wire. Only the steel wire. So, my friend, think about this. So, my friends, for example, every day you produce 500 units. That means 60.8 by 500, correct? So you could say more than 8,000 RMB per day. Monthly, for example, monthly you work your working days is 4 weeks, 22 days. Okay, that means per month, how much money you could save? So 1 month, how much? So 1 year, how much? So this is a special calculation. Okay, this is special calculation. So trust me. So trust me, my friends. For the high temperature popular spring units, the more mattress production in your factory, the more cost you will save. So this is a real industrial question. Industrial. Okay. My friends, I did the experience from our customers in China with American mattress, and now they use this machine. There is one customer per day their daily production output is about 500. So that puts 1 year. Okay, last year they save money more than 2.2 million RMB Chinese money for 1 year, just for the steel wire. The steel wire. So my friends, so I could get a general idea about it. You focus on your market, improve your business with your production quality. For saving the cost, you do this job to Zolytech. Zolytech could support you. Take back the invested money for the popular spring machine. The more business you have, the more quantity of your money to make, the sooner you get the investment back. So, in a word, okay, in a word, let me repeat my streaming about the cars. For example, if your company makes the pocket spring with 2 mm diameter wire, thick wire. Now this machine you make 1.7 mm diameter wire. That means thin steel wire. Okay. So you could check the weight of each spring. So we take one example, only one example, okay? See the size spring unit. Usually it's not the same. Okay, hold on. Hello, my friends. Just know that there is a big noise, so I change another place which is more quiet, so I could explain more explanation for the pocket spring cost calculation. So, my friends, uh, let me let me get a summarize of the topic today from my live streaming. So today I would like to make one calculation for steel wire consumption from our special pocket spring machine, which is with the function of high compression, correct? High compression. So for the high compression, okay, for the high compression, the key point is save the steel wire and the hardness of spring units can't change anything. It's the same, but you could save the wire, the steel wire. That means you could reduce your production cost, correct or not? So my friends, let me show you. Let me make one better explanation, okay? Let me make one better explanation for you for this. Let me change another background of my factory. Hold on. Yes. Okay, this is better. Yes, all my friends. Yes. All my friends, if you need more information, or if you're interested in mattress production, or if you want to make the mattress production, if you want to get into the mattress production field, please like me and follow me and search Zolytech in YouTube or in Facebook or in LinkedIn or in TikTok. It is very easy to find our production information. Zolytech is the most professional in the world for the mattress machinery, also for the mattress production. Our partner is Nianro company. So Nianro and Zolytech, we are working together for one-stop solution in mattress production industry. So my friends, please contact me, Zolytech, 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 and like us and follow us. I'm sure the result will be satisfied. Okay, so let me get back over the topic for the cost. How much saving the cost if you use the high compression pocket spring? This is very special, very special mattress spring units production, because you could get the same hardness, same soft of the spring units, the pocket spring units, the same result, but you could use less steel wire. So how much less steel wire you could save from this new technology? All my friends, now I would like to make the calculation. Okay, this calculation is not exaggerated. Okay, but it's real from Chinese standard. We get this from our customer. For example, in your factory, hold on. Hello, my friends. Now you can see this is the pocket spring. Pocket spring for assemble machine, automatic assemble machine, and also the semi-automatic assemble machine, correct? But now I would like to make the real calculation from our customer in China, which is professional for making the American standard through online Amazon online selling. They make the real cost calculation. For example, my friends, for example, they make a single size. This we make the examination. For example, from single spring units. The single spring unit size is 1 meter by 2 meters. Okay, 1 meter by 2 meters. There are about 420 springs. 420 springs, correct? So you could check. Please make some note. Yeah, 420 pieces of springs. Okay, in single size. So if you use 2 mm steel wire, 6 rings. Okay. Our new technology, Zolytech new technology means 1.7 mm diameter with only 5.5 or 6 rings. So you could save more steel wire. So how much? After our calculation, one spring could save about 8 grams. About 8 grams. One spring. So 420. How much you could save? So in China, now the springs, not the spring, the steel wire price is about 5 kg, 5 RMB per 1 kg. Okay, so one spring unit you could save 100. No, one spring unit you could save money. You could save money is 60.8 RMB per one pocket spring unit, which is single size, 1 meter by 2 meters. There are about 420 pieces springs in this single size spring units. Okay, so one day, for example, if your factory is medium production, okay, one day you could produce 500 pieces. So 1 month, how much? 1 year, how much? So as far as we concerned, and after our calculation, our customer could save about 2.2 million Chinese money for 1 year after using our machine. So usually within 1 year, we could take the investor money back. So my friends, please don't focus on the cost of this machine. You should focus on the cost of your mattress steel wire. Also, you should focus on more about your marketing, correct? Because the more mattress you sell, the more saving from the steel wire, correct? And also, this saving amount of 2.2 million Chinese money, it does not include the transportation cost. You see, for example, if the mattress use the less steel wire, that means you use truck, transit from this place to other place. You could save much more transportation cost too, correct? Yes. So my friends, so after this calculation, I hope you could generate idea, or you could contact us if you have any comments. Okay, any questions, please leave the message in the comments, or search Zolytech. And then you could find me, Jack Lu, in YouTube, in LinkedIn, and Facebook, also in TikTok, also in Chinese WeChat. It's very easy to find me, and I could explain you more clearly, okay, after you contact us. So all my friends, today I introduce you the high compression of the pocket spring. So how much money you could save, how much cost steel wire you could save from your production. So all my friends, please study your production and your mattress raw materials cost, and we are waiting for you. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Zolytech, okay, Zolytech, Zolytech. All my friends, I hope you could get a general idea. So if you have any other questions, we are waiting for you here. I'm sure we could give you more solutions for your mattress production, for mattress industry. Yes. So my friends, finally, from the Zolytech Mattress Machine live streaming, I would like to introduce you our factory production situation. Okay. Beside me, this is the pocket spring machine. Okay, this is my customer. Okay, they only focus on the pocket spring machine. Yeah, this is the pocket spring machine, and also they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sets pocket assemble machine, 2 automatic and 2 semi-automatic. Why the semi-automatic mostly used? Because for some special order. You see, this is the semi-automatic. Okay, the semi-automatic pocket assemble machine for special for OEM model. Okay, can you see that the second floor? This is a temporary storage area for delay shipment, for special ODM pocket spring units. Can you see? So, all my friends, if you are interested in how to make the calculation for this the pocket spring production, the pocket spring raw materials, and also the experience for the pocket production, all my friends, please contact the Zolytech. Okay, Zolytech. Please contact Zolytech, and I'm sure we could give you more solutions for your question. So today, let's call it a day. Okay, I have to say goodbye. Finally, I really appreciate for your time to watch Lin Ro Zolytech live streaming. Thank you very much, my friends. Thank you, and see you tomorrow. Be there or be square. See you.